is Carlos Avalos here with NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. Today we're at a new community here in Valencia, California. It's the Lennar community, and this property here is 55 and over community, and the builder is offering $50,000 incentive to the buyer that you can use it towards your upgrades or closing costs. This is a two-story property. Come on in. It features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,269 square feet. Purchase price $759,990. Come on in. It's, again, a brand new community. It's in Valencia, California, Sierra Bella community. Builder is Lennar. Here you have the living room. Adjacent to that, you have the dining area and your kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel undermount sink, a cooktop with a range hood, stainless steel appliances, open concept. Indoor laundry room, your primary bedroom here. With a very spacious bathroom with quartz countertops, his and her sink, stand-up shower, and a walk-in closet. Here we have your second bedroom. Also has a bathroom for the second bedroom. Also a walk-in closet. And upstairs you have a loft. Guys, again, this is Carlos Avalos and Rose Avalos with NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. If you have any questions or you are interested in viewing new construction here in Santa Clarita Valley, feel free to give us a call. We would love to be of service to you. My telephone number is 818-399-4093. Rose is 818-590-2077. And one of the things that I did not mention about this property yet is the best part is it has no Mello Roos. 55 and over community here in Valencia. Builder is Lennar, and it has no Mello Roos at all. One of the features it does also offer, it has a community pool, a pickleball, and a lot much more that we would love to show you. Feel free to reach out to us here on social media as well. And we hope to be of service to you and show you new construction here in Santa Clarita Valley. Take care, be well, talk soon.